Hey guys, it's Sweepy, and today we are going to be playing more Slime Rancher. So now we are going to be also trying to head to our goal, trying to get the slime lab. And without further ado, let's get started. We also have to go to the moss blanket to get some chicken for our boom slime, so we could get double the plorts. So, these little guys, we also need to try and pop a Largo slime so we can try and unlock another area. We also need the jetpack. It'd come in handy. What's pulse wave? Oh yeah, I've seen that around. Alright, and then the water tank is also very helpful because you can store fresh water and tar. So yeah, this is how the jetpack works. You get to float around, stuff like that. Let's see actually what's cheaper, the slime lab, this little area. This one's cheaper. We could get those right now. But the slime lab I feel is more important. Not to be rude or anything, but I feel like it kind of is because you're able to do more things, and there's this machine I want that it could harvest everything for me. The grotto. Yeah, so we can get this and the other side. But right now we really kind of need the slime lab to grow. Yeah, while they're still there. There's more chicken. Whatever. Take these. So the next area we want to unlock is the indigo area. Don't really know what it's called. I haven't played in a while, as I probably said on the first episode or tweet of our adventure. So what we need to do is get a bunch of chickens and try and pop the Tabby Largo. We can't give it any plorts so that it could turn into a different type of slime. So what I want to do is try, because their favorites are the stony heads. So just go. We have to collect chickens. I don't believe there's any in here. Oh, the chicken. We need the chickens. No, don't eat any. Are there any more chickens? No. They're just out to eat anything. So, if they're that way, there are feral slimes. Well, we need these. We don't need the pork. We don't need the chicken. If we had a tank of roosters, or a rooster out, sorry. So if we could get up here, so if this could just regenerate, yeah. There we go. Now we can go over. Nope. Every single chicken is special because they be sacrificed. These chickens will be sacrificed to the jaws of the Tabby Largo slime. I'm so sorry. That came off a little harsh. We also need some stony heads. Those are slime. Where'd the other one go? Ouch. Oh, there it is. Go here. Get these. This one. So this will be good. This will probably pop it. Yeah, you're admiring her beauty. Her amazingly beautiful self. Not enough. We need more chicken. 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 Oh, you're cute. Where is it? I hear it. It's right here. There's another one. You go. Hey, get up of me. Alright. So what we should do is go to the moss blanket and get more chicken, and then we can run back over here. I know this only happens, this danger zone is only at night, but it's still kind of scaring me. And you can kind of tell what's here because there's key berries. Bob. Oh yeah, it's the guy that's obsessed with chickens. Sorry, but I'm not going to be training my chickens with you today. I'm sorry if I have spoilers. Like I can't help but know everything because I have played a previous game of it. As you probably saw the first episode, it was like Gamer Girls Pop or whatever. I was originally gonna call my channel Gamer Girls Pop, Gamer Girls Pop.6, but since my Minecraft username was Pt.6 and I'll be playing a lot of things, why not be Pt.6 Plays? Now, a lot of people, like my cousins, they'll say, did I copy Preston Plays? Just for your information, no, I did not try and copy anything. So I did not decide to call myself that just because of him. Okay, thank you. Brian. Is there any way we can get more chickens? Ooh. Maybe. There we go. No. I like how there's like, there is gravity, but there's almost like no gravity whatsoever. Alright. The first time I went exploring the moss blanket, I got stuck here, so I constructed a way out. It's just up yonder. H. Oh, there's more over there. There's a water slide. Puddle slime, yes, thank you. Chickadees, stony chickadees. I don't think I picked one up. There we go. Puddle slime, that's right. Oh, he's blushing! That was cute. It was blushing. I was so happy. Oh! Where shows? I need you. Mr. No. Mr. No. What do you mean? There should be a nest around. Oh yeah, and you might not be able to hear, but my sister is in the background. Game girl. There we go. Okay. here. Alright, we're on our way out. There we go. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, so we have enough chickens, I believe, to pop the Largo slime. The puddle slime will need to make a thing for him when we get our lab. Alright, let's go. And the quality isn't so great. It used to be a lot better. I don't know what happened. So, if the quality isn't the best, I apologize. I've downloaded a bunch of things on my computer, and it might cause the glitchiness and the quality not being the best. It could be here. Almost. It's about to pop. We just need like 2 more stony hens, and none of you. No, I hate when they multiply. No. Am I like supposed to be like the protector? Ha! You multiplied at the wrong time. We need chicken. Let's see. Alright, I'm back. I was just checking something. I need to check the recording time. There we go. I'm trying my best to keep track on time. But it's a little hard when you're playing a game that you can't see the time. Why aren't there like any chickens? They usually spawn when I'm gone. We need chicken. That Largo is so close to popping. Maybe we'll sleep on it and then we'll wake up and check for chickens and then we'll pop it. Cause it is currently 30, 31, 32 in Slime Rancher world. If you could tell, 15 is basically 3 o'clock. Now that's because I know 16 is 4 o'clock. So I'm able to count backwards and forwards from that. So we have the briar hen. This is what we need for the boom slime. There. We could take a few of these. Take like, oh, they had a few babies. They had 2 babies. I never see like babies. There we go. We'll probably take this, Gerald. Your time has come to die. Alright. Let's go. Chicken. No, you will not have the chicken. I will have the chicken. Haha. I need the chicken. Oh, there's another chicken. Need you. I need you. Don't want you. So basically, I believe the rest of this video, I'll have the puddle slime in my inventory, just because reasons. And I believe next video episode, whatever, our next episode, exploring, we will explore the Indigo. I want to see the Indigo region so badly, but that's Pokemon. So I am unsure. That did it! Oh no, we didn't drop a key! We needed a key. We just got a place to teleport home. We don't need 2 Harrys. Whatever. I'm disappointed. Wait, what? I'm not supposed to be over here! I'm not supposed to be over here! No! I'm not supposed to be over here! Why did I do that? At least I can unlock this place. Let's see how much this is. I kind of need this area because I can put the puddle slime there. I'm not supposed to be here. Right. Well, at least I could have got an area earlier than I should have. Been able to at least, but can't do that. Because 1, I don't have enough coins, and 2, I wouldn't be able to access it. So if you don't hear, and I've had the music off in the game, so if you were wondering why you couldn't hear that, I turned it off because I personally don't like background music in games. They are not usually the best types of music. So that's just my opinion. I don't really like the background music. I am also kind of thinking about making a blog. I don't know if I should make a blog though. I'm pretty unsure about it. It's face cam and stuff. And yeah. My family isn't the best. Start me up. Hello, Pop. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens, chicken. Hello, Pop. Yes, chicken. Yeah, I love this guy. He's the best. It's 6. Let's just go to sleep at 6. We haven't had dinner. Whatever. I'm gonna turn to my age. He wants chickens. I know that's Bob, and he's gonna want chickens. I'm not giving him any chickens. No. I will feed our babies. Except for the boom slime, because don't have any hens or anything, so really spare. Oh! They get to feast! It's their favorite food too. Yum, yum, yum. Food. Yeah. Take some of these. Alright, we'll come back for those 20. So right now, the puddle plorts are the best in the market. For now. Alright, let's go. Meow. These guys just can't stop pooping notes. There we go. Alright, this is probably going to be the day where we hit 10K. So we're at 4,863. which is a lot. It's kind of all because of these plorts, these rock plorts. They could be a little better, priced, but it's fine. We're getting what we get, and I'm not gonna get upset with that. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know on thoughts about vlogs and my actual life. Next episode will probably be tomorrow. I'm going to be doing some stuff off camera. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.